Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you make your email account private in Pipedrive? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to make your email account private in Pipedrive? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you can manage your email accounts, actually various accounts inside your Pipedrive account. However, one of your email accounts might be showing up with your team members or inside your company that you don't want them to see. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and make your email account private inside Pipedrive, you're going to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and you want to click here, company settings. It has a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this gray menu here on the left and you want to click on email sync. Okay, so on this account, I only have one email attached. However, if you have more than one email account, you're going to want to choose the account. It'll show up right around here. Once you've chosen the email account that you'd like to make private, you're going to see the account settings, as you can see right here. And you're just going to scroll down until you see this section here, default email sharing. Okay, so once you're here in default email sharing, you can see that this email inbox is actually shared. So that means that any conversation that I have inside this email, whether someone sends me an email, or even if I send it out, it's going to be visible to any other users when they're linked to my Pipedrive. So to make that email box private, so that way I can only see it in my account, click right here, private. Okay, quick second later, you're going to see this pop up, sync settings updated. So now any of my emails I receive in this particular, I'm going to be able to see it in my Pipedrive, but my other team members or assistants or admins will not be able to see the email correspondence in that box. So that's going to be for all of your emails. However, you can do this one by one emails. So for example, if you are receiving a lot of work emails that you want your assistants to see, but then one email comes through, maybe it's private or personal, you can actually just make one email private. And how you're going to do that is here on the left side, just click on the envelope looking button right here. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to make sure that you're in your inbox right here. So for example, this email right here, if I want it to be private, it should be a lock. However, you can go ahead and switch this one by one. So just click on this little downward arrow and it's going to give you a lock or unlock. So you can go ahead and change this one to private or a public email if you want. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to make your email account private inside of your Pipedrive CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.